Do you develop or deliver training but still find it difficult to create practical assessments? Then this three-part series is for you. Using one learning outcome from a basic first aid course, we will develop an authentic assessment from beginning to end. But I'm not simply going to show you a finished assessment. You are going to think through the decisions, complete the activities, and compare your approach with mine. Across the series, we will move through this process: performance, evidence, method, conditions, alignment, instruments. An accompanying workbook will guide you through each stage and provide space for you to complete the activities, reusable templates, and completed worked examples for comparison. In Part 1, we will analyze the learning outcome and performance criteria, identify the evidence required, and select the assessment method. In Part 2, we'll use that analysis to develop the authentic assessment task. In Part 3, we'll turn the task into a usable assessment package. By the end of the series, you will have developed an authentic assessment task and the instruments needed to implement it. More importantly, you will have a thinking process that you can apply to your own subject area. So download the workbook, get something to write with, and work through the process with me. I'm Anitola, and I design structured training that actually works. Let us begin with Part 1.